Hi, I'm Adrian Bowles of Storm Insights. I recently had the opportunity to talk to Thomas Volmering of SAP at TechEd in Las Vegas. We talked about his work in intelligence business operations. Here are some of the highlights of that conversation.
I'm part of an organization that is called Integration and Orchestration. Our customers integrate their business processes, they orchestrate their business processes, and they're now asking us to actually help them infuse intelligence into their end-to-end orchestration. Customers need intelligence as part of their systems, of their end-to-end business processes, to actually sense and respond business situations that can occur, either threats or opportunities, and take the right actions. And customers actually have invested a lot in the last 20 years to integrate their systems, and now we actually help them with the next wave of innovation. Well, at first we helped customers to integrate their SAP to non-SAP systems. And actually now they're taking a look at an end-to-end value stream, at an end-to-end picture, at an end-to-end view on their business operations. That's why it's called intelligent business operations. That goes beyond just a modeled process or a transactional process in a system, but it also involves data, any kind of big data that you have in the context of a business process. That's why we like to call it a big process. Actually, we help customers to build smarter process applications, whether that is to manage an air freight hub in a better way, in a more efficient way, or if it is retail or banking or financial service network. It helps people to act better and faster on problems or on situations before they become problems. So the system is that smart that it figures out if a problem might occur, and it gives you a hint, actually, gives you a notification about a situation that has occurred, and gives you possible actions that you can take, involve other people, so collaborative actions, or actually solve the problem on your own. Parts of our product family is built with HANA, so we're making use of predictive capabilities of HANA. But first and foremost, we help customers to take the best of our process technology, to orchestrate their processes, and then take this end-to-end business process and illuminate it with intelligence, and say, I want to take a view on my end-to-end process value stream. And that kind of process visibility helps me to detect, to sense and respond to problems. And of course we take also predictions, or we make predictions about the outcome of a specific instance of a process. And there we make use of predictive capabilities, of course, also of HANA. So what the customer can do is actually take a look at the existing landscape that they have, at the existing process participants, as we call them. So out of the box applications that they use, the business suite from SAP that they use, but also non-SAP business applications, or completely non-SAP, non-business applicational data, transactional data. And then they can cater this to their own needs and build a workspace, a process workspace, and an integrated view on their end-to-end process that really relates to their needs, but with means that are so simple for them to use that they do not need to code. I think we are very aligned with the market. There is a trend in the market towards what is called intelligent business operations. But I think we are also a little bit ahead, because we are working very closely with a lot of customers from so many different industries who know their processes, of course, very well, and we work with them together to extend, of course, for instance, the intelligence, the operational intelligence and the intelligent insights that we get, and make the system that we are building together with them actually more smarter in the sense of that it learns the way that it suggests, based on business rules, for instance, different kind of actions. The way that the system can respond, or that it can sense actually what we call business situations. We have different kind of examples from industries like banking, like financial services network. Retail is a very common industry that is very innovative, but also logistics vendors, or an air freight hub, for instance. I mean, we are providing to our customers pretty much like 20 years different kind of integration and process technology. And we've learned a lot about how do customers build their interfaces, how do they want to integrate their interfaces from their legacy systems or their home-built applications with our business suite. That kind of integration knowledge has been growing over time, so that we also shipped integration content, not only on-premise but also in the cloud now. And the same is true for the world of workflow, for the world of business rules, and for the world of business processes. And now at that stage where we actually help customers also with content to integrate better, you know, the different kind of landscapes, also with their business partners and business networks. We are now at the stage where we trying to figure out together with them how far can we go in developing this kind of intelligence into this landscape. And that's why we actually combined all of the best of our process technology into this offering called Intelligent Business Operations, because they can make use of what they have today already. The knowledge, I mean, this goes down to the very low level of how do you integrate an interface to, you know, mappings to business rules. And conditions that help you to route from one system to the other. But it also applies to, of course, you know, how do you describe an end-to-end business scenario beyond what the customer has today or has integrated today? Because we are living in a new world and they want to do new kind of exciting things.